pinag-play na gana. Hindi magandang po. Pangalasan, stolen by Santos! No! Gimana Gosong? To finish. Back to the ball game. Jalan. Pass to Colera. To Valencia. Arbitras. This is good. To Vigo. Jalan. To Valencia. Pass to Valencia. Basket! Bonus shot for Ray. Pasok. Ibang kay Joseph. Velasco, Velasco, wow, Garland. Garland. Santos. Velasco. Second shot. Garland Tegalano. Pass to Pula. Pula pick the shot. Verify number 1. Cross court 24. He passed to number 44 for 3-point shot. Blue versus Ray as well. We play by number 15 passes. Here we go, 1-on-1 as well until last Tula, harassing by Velasco, all the way. No pass to the ball shot. One pass by number 7 to number 15. Number 7, kick out to number 8, complete, slow motion drive, reverse shot is there, one more shot for 9-point lead, the score, 31-32, 9-point lead by UVL. Kick out to two shot by number 27, Angel. Here we go, first shot, shot shot. Here we go, first shot, shot shot. Busog lang, busog. Kayo naman eh. Babawi oh, in-adjust. Rebound by good shot. Here we go, sa Kuya. Kuya, drop to the left. Shot.
Step sabi niya.
Here goes the ball by number 18, pass to number 24, to Wilson. Drive, raise, shot, yes sir. 18, took out Valencia, swing, nasa pa, oh. Yes. Post, back-to-back 3-point shot. Okay, wide open three, answer for three. No high rebound by he. Tumatakbo.
Ang magre-reklamo lang yung coach nyo. Relax lang.
Remaining time, 7 minutes and 19 seconds to play. The last quarter score, 21-36. 5-point lead. Santos wide open for three. No, rebound by Cruz Perez. Your first kick out to Tula, pass to Gala. Directing the flood. Gala ng Gala. Yung bola sa kabila, naka-verde. Nabantayan ng naka-pitring si Santos. Kick out to Tula to follow. Emergency pass. Gala. Nope. Kick out wide open. Tula for three. Back to the baby. Yes. Yes, sir. One more shot. Yes, sir. Stop by the blue. Kick out 35 zone. Cross court early. Wide open three. One out. Kick out all the way to the foul zone. Wide open three. What a pass. Here we go. Hey, pass to Santos. Wide open again. Santos. Yes, sir. Here we go. Short. What a backside play number. Almost here. Here we go to Angel. Here we go. Up, there's a foul. Well,
Please, walang tatayo. Bench, dyan lang, no? Foul, foul is foul.
Binatukan mo na kayo yung nagsisipten mo. Nagka-SSA, puta, binatukan nyo na na. Dapat parang nag-go na din. Rep, ano nga ito, rep. Binatukan pa rin. Kaya nga pinokontrol namin yung mga dapat. Kita nyo naman. So, out na. Isa na ka, parang ka po. So, green 15 sa white, tapos 0-0 foul din. May white 0-0. 0-0. Yan, dali! Sa tipo mo. Sa pwede mo ba ito?
Oh, defense tayo, defense! Baba na! Uy!
22-48. Yes. Got to be with us on the scene. Pass to Santos. Here we go. Yes, sir. Down by the 6 points. Yes, sir. Kick out. Peru. No. Kick out again. No pass. Number 1. Sure. Number 1. Yes, sir. There's a foul. Here we go. Wide open. Santos for 3. Santos! Hey! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, wow. Step in. Good play. Kick out to Peru. Right. Nope. Rebound by Santos. No basket. And at the Bulldogs score 28-52.
Line up, let's go!
Line up.